In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AnyDesk in Windows 11 step by step so you can connect to another computer quickly and remotely with confidence. Whether you're helping a friend, accessing your office PC, or supporting a family member, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple way. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this from the Start menu, the desktop shortcut, or wherever you've installed the app. Once AnyDesk launches, give it a few seconds to load completely. This is important because the app needs a moment to initialize and connect to the internet before you can start a remote session. As the program finishes loading, you'll see your AnyDesk address displayed on the main screen. This is your unique ID that other people can use if they need to connect to your computer. Make sure you can see this clearly because it's one of the most important parts of the interface. Now, if your goal is to connect to another computer, look for the remote address box. This is where you enter the ID or alias of the computer you want to access. Click inside that box and type in the AnyDesk ID or the name of the remote device carefully. It's always a good idea to double check the number or alias before moving on because even one wrong digit can prevent the connection from working. After you've entered the remote address, click the connect button. At this point, AnyDesk will send a connection request to the other computer. This tells the remote device that someone is trying to access it and it gives the other person a chance to review and approve the session. On the remote computer, the user will need to accept the request. Ask them to look at the prompt and click Accept. Once they do that, the remote session will begin and you'll be connected to their computer through AnyDesk. From there, you can start working remotely depending on the permissions that were granted. If the connection doesn't start right away, stay patient and make sure the remote user has accepted the request. Also confirm that both devices are online and that the AnyDesk ID was entered correctly. In many cases, a simple typo or a delayed response is the only thing stopping the connection. And that's it. You now know how to use AnyDesk in Windows 11 to open the app, find your address, enter a remote ID, send a connection request, and accept the session on the other computer. It's a quick and practical way to remotely access another device when you need to. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.